Today I'll be showing you the quickest and by far the easiest method to transfer a PDF into Excel. Within page 10 of this PDF file lies a table. I want to take this data table and transfer it into Excel, and I'll show you how to transfer it into Excel in such a way that you get a neatly formatted data table that looks something like this. So I've opened up my Excel file and I know that I'm looking for the 10th page of the PDF. This PDF is also downloaded into my desktop, so I can actually access it from my documents as well. Now in the Excel file, I'm simply going to go into data, into the get data from file and from PDF. And once that loads up, I'm going to find the PDF file within my documents, and I'm actually going to open it up. Now we remember that we wanted page 10 of the PDF, and page 10 only has one table, table 15, so that must be the one that we're looking for. I'm going to click on it just to make sure, and we can see the preview, and this in fact is the right table. So before we download it or actually put it into Excel, one thing you notice is that there are some null values, some blank values, and the reason is because there are no numbers there. And also there are no column headers. So we want to take these dollars and millions, these year dates, and we want to promote them up to become headers. So let's go into transform data first, and that's going to open up our Power Query editor. And once this is open, we're simply going to go ahead and go on to use first row as headers. Once we've done that, everything else looks good to me from this perspective. So I'm simply going to click on close and load, and that's going to load this into a tabular format into Excel. From here I can do a little bit more cleaning. I can bold whatever I need to, and I can also convert these into their proper accounting format. So this way it took me just about a minute or so to transfer this PDF file into Excel in such a way that all the data is properly organized. So that's how you can convert PDF data into tabular Excel data in just a few minutes.